Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling, and I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. So today's presentation is friends Agarwal Floresta, which is at Upper Govind Nagar, Malad East. So let's begin with the presentation. So friend, this is how the elevation of the building is, and this building is at Upper Govind Nagar, and this is developed by Agarwal developer. And you see how beautiful the wonderful elevation of the building is, and it has 3 wings. This Floresta is having 3 wings. So the first wing, A wing, is known as Maple. The name is Maple, which the booking has started for this building, A wing. And they have 1 BHK and studio apartment in this on very reasonable price. And B wing is Oak, which they have started the booking for Oak also, but the presentation is still not out, but we can still discuss about the B wing areas and prices. So first we will understand this A wing, which is Maple, and then we will understand this B wing, and the C wing is not yet launched. So we will discuss these 2 wings today. It is on the hill on Upper Govind Nagar. So this is a slant road over here. This is a slope road over here. So every building has different floor heights. Every wing has different floor heights. So A wing is having 36 habitual floor, B wing is having 37 habitual floor, and C wing is having 38 habitual floor. And all the amenities are given on the first floor of the podium level, on the second floor above the podium, and some of the amenities on the rooftop. So this is how the elevation of the building is. And the biggest plus point in this project Floresta is that they have different sizes of flat. So you start with the studio apartment with 1 BHK, with 2 BHK, and even it goes up to 3 BHK in B wing. So different sizes are there in this building in Floresta. And now we will discuss today about Maple, which is A wing. So friends, if you see the ecosystem over here, this is Upper Govind Nagar. This is at Malad East, and this is Western Express Highway. So your highway is very exactly below down this building, hardly 100 meters. And there is metro line parallel running on this Western Express Highway. Then if you want to travel by railway, then railway station is only 2.5 kilometers from this place, because you have to come down again, go to the back side. So it is 2 kilometers, you can say. Then when you come down over here, you have one more link road which is developing, that is Goregaon Mulund link road, which will be going from Film City, Goregaon Film City, and it will come out to Mulund over here. Then further there is one more road over here which you can cross. You can go through JVLR Powai to central side, and if you want to go through to the south side, then South Mumbai side, then there's a train available from here. Even metro line will be going further from here. And if you want to travel towards Borivali or out of Mumbai, then you have to just come down on the Western Express Highway and take a left turn. So this lane goes to Borivali and Kandivali over here. So it's the ecosystem over here is very well developed in this locality. Oberoi Mall is very close by from this area. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is also very close by. And BKC is just 20 minutes drive from here. So all the ecosystem you see over here is very close by from this project. So there is lots of infrastructure developing in this area. So metro line is one of the closest to this project. So Pathanwadi metro station and Pushpa Park metro station will be closest from this project. And there is Mirinal Thai Gore flyover extension will be there, which will be crossing SV road also, and it will go direct to Andheri West. Then JBLR extension is there, and Goregaon Mulund Link Road is there, as I told you, through Film City. And then the coastal road, of course, it is developing because one of the coastal road is already developed, which is Bandra Sea Link goes to Worli. Then they will connect to Andheri and to Malad and Borivali, different places. And further, they will connect to maybe from Worli to Haji Ali to Marine Lines and so on. So coastal road is in development and it will cover up all over Mumbai from all the sides. So these are all developments which are happening in Mumbai. So definitely this project, Maple Floresta by Agarwal, will also get benefit from it. This is the elevation of the building, very beautifully designed elevation, and lots of amenities has been provided in this complex developed by Agarwal developer. And the wonderful view from the first floor, because this building is on the hill. It's at least 60 feet height from the highway. So when you go on the first floor also, you get the wonderful view of the city. So this is east side, this is south side view, north side and west side. So all the sides you are getting beautiful view of the cities. In amenities, you have banquet hall and cafeterias. In other amenities, you have senior citizen sit-out, swimming pool, kids play area. Then there is lots of green space, fully equipped gym, yoga and meditation center, then business center, library, table tennis, snooker, which is indoor game, then sand pit area and sun deck. So there's a kids play area, sit-outs and acupressure pathway. So in terrace level, you have rooftop deck. Then there's a barbecue, and again there is a walking track, jogging and walking track below. And this is the wonderful view of the lobby entrance. So you can see this at least 20 feet lobby height, well designed, well decorated, and very beautiful and lavish and very royal looking lobby entrance developer has provided in this project, in this complex. So there is intercom facilities, there is water harvesting, and beautiful and branded quality lift has been given in this complex. Sprinkler system in every apartment and plenty of greenery, so you're close to your family, to your workplace, at the same time to the nature also. Beautiful and impressive living area and bedroom image, very well designed kitchen. Both the side platforms are there, and large windows has been given for cross ventilation. And in washroom, you have branded quality CP and sanitary fittings are there. So this is the image of the podium level. You see over here, these amenities are given on the podium level, and some amenities are on the rooftop over here. These are rooftop, and these swimming pool side is on the podium level. And this is the master layout of the floor plan of Maple. So you see over here, you have studio apartments as well as 1 BHK flats. So in Maple, you have studio and 1 BHK flats. Different sizes are there for studio and 1 BHK. And in Oak, you have slightly bigger flat, which is B wing. This is A wing, which is Maple. So in Maple, 1 BHK, two types of 1 BHK is there. So type 1 and type 2. Hardly any difference is there because all the rooms are rectangle. So for 364 carpet 1 BHK, price is 86 lakh rupees, inclusive of all stamp duty, registration, GST and all other charges. Then they have 350 and 364. So 350 is 83 lakhs, inclusive of all other charges. Then they have studio apartment, which is 236. So 236 studio is 58 lakh rupees only. Those who want to start their living in the city with a small family, young married couple, or with only single person or young married couple, they can start their journey from this place, from small place, and after some years they can buy a bigger flat. So this is a very good opportunity given by the developer, because you are in city in Malad East, and from here you can travel to any place in Mumbai. So they have 236 studio apartment, which is 58 lakh rupees, which includes all your other charges. And they have 215 also studio apartment, which is price is 53 lakhs, including all other charges, stamp duty, registration, GST, and all other charges. So they have 610 area also, which the cost is 1.44 CR, and for 736 it's 1.72 CR. So this is, friends, how the elevation of the building is. One more beautiful elevation. You can see how beautifully the building has been designed. Front side of the building. Again, this is the image of the lobby entrance. Lobby entrance, look, at least the height of 30 feet. It's not 20 feet, it's 30 feet. And this is again the master layout of the area. So you see this area is Upper Govind Nagar. And when you come from Western Express Highway, this is the red line arrow shown over here. From this lane over here, you have to come up on the hillside, and this is over here. Project is over here. So in other amenities, you have party lawn, business center, coffee corner, library, Zumba, fitness center, indoor games, creche, sandpit, kids play area, senior citizen corner, meditation and yoga, spa, sauna, swimming pool, swimming deck, gents changing washroom, ladies changing washroom, banquet, food storage room. So these all amenities developer has provided in this complex. So friends, possession for this building is 3.5 years from now. So it's on June 2024. And for booking, you can call me on my number 7400138561. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more developer, one more project very soon. Thank you for watching this presentation. Take care, bye-bye, and Happy New Year to you all.